Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Steam. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Steam application if you already have it installed on your system. Now log into your account if you haven't done so already using your username and your password. Now once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into the Steam homepage. Now from the homepage, in order to appear offline, just click on the Steam option at the top left corner and then you will find the Go Offline feature. Just click on this option and now you will see that you are in offline mode. In order to go back online, you can simply click on the same Steam menu and then you will find that the option has changed to Go Online. You can simply click on it and then this will automatically change and the offline mode option will also disappear. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to appear offline on Steam. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.